In today's video, I'm gonna unbox a box from EconoTransfer. And if you want to see those transfer, stick around. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie. And in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna unbox a box from EconoTransfer company. Yes, that's a company that does transfer. Of course, you get the picture. So I'm gonna unbox some vinyl I got from them just for you. But I'm not telling you guys to go there yet and place any orders because I do not know how the transfers are. But in a separate video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press those vinyls and I'm gonna take it to the wash test. You know how your boy do. I'm just gonna throw it in the washing machine, then I'm gonna throw it in the dry, and I'm gonna turn it up on the hottest heat, and I'm gonna let it stay in there for a while, not just like 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna give it some heat to see how well the vinyl will hold up on the clothes. So I'm not telling you to go there yet. I don't know how they vinyl work, but guess what? We're gonna find out. So the video after this one upload, I'm gonna upload the next one showing you me pressing and washing it, and then we'll make our decision if we're gonna order from that company or not. Anyway, before we jump into the video, your boy spent 30 days in Jamaica. And I went there for business. It wasn't pleasure, it was business, but I had a little fun there. But thanks to my sisters and brother making that happen, and my friend, close friend of mine, Manoa, you guys all help me make this trip possible because it's expensive in Jamaica. You understand what I'm saying? When I mean expensive, I mean it's expensive. So I want to thank those people for helping me put the trip together, make it happen. I know your boy's back. I'm gonna be pumping out videos for you guys. All right, I got a lot of videos in plan, or in mind, in plan, in mind, in plan, in my, anyway, you got the picture. Okay, so before we jump into the video, one more thing. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload the next video of me testing the Econo vinyl B-FLEX. I got the link right down below. I have some Amazon link down there. When you guys click and purchase from these places, your boy get a small, this small commission, So I make the dogs and cats outside feel happy, make them happy, make my wife happy. It makes me happy, so I can make videos for you guys. So you guys go down there, check out these links, and check out the vinyl stand. Link is down below. That's for the B-FLEX. Trust me, $285 for a second. Come on. Who wouldn't want to try that vinyl? Go try the B-FLEX. Okay, link is down below. Vinylstand.com. That's where you could get your B-FLEX. And don't forget, go hit up Heat Transfer Warehouse. You want to get your cedar vinyl or whatever equipment, any other vinyl, Heat Transfer Warehouse is the place to go. The only thing is they don't carry the B-FLEX. That's why your boy had the separate link down there. So let's stop talking and let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so let's get inside of this bad boy to see what's in it. So remember, this is from EconoTransfer.com. EconoTransfer.com. Okay, so also got a little note from EconoTransfer to me. Now, I'm not gonna read it to you guys, mind your own business. No, anyway, there's a nice little note on this, but I'm gonna actually read it. Ooh. All right. Okay, so let's get inside the box. I know you guys dying to see, oh, what kind of note is that Flex got on it? I want to read it. Okay. Ooh, let's get them out of the box. Ooh. I'm gonna read that note. Econo, vinyl. I'm gonna read it. Okay, so, ooh, I'm liking the way this look. I like this color. I'm digging that color. Royal blue, red Econo flock, gold Econo glitter. All right. You know what? Let's get these out of there. All right. So we have red. This is their vinyl. This is their vinyl. It's called red Econo flock. Oh, it's a little thick. All right, all right, all right. And we have royal blue Econo. We got royal blue Econo metal. Nice, nice. Can you guys see it? You want a close up? Good. And here go the glitter. This is the Econo glitter. Ooh, I can't wait to test this one. Ooh, ooh, yeah. This will do good business for me. All right, let's jump into the next one. I'm loving those. Okay, in this one we have, I don't know if you guys could see it. Anyway, on it, it's called, this is the Econo Holo Spectrum. I think I'm pronouncing that right, Holo. And we have the Econo V, Econo Puff. Oh, now that's something I really need to try. The Puff vinyl. We have the EconoFlex Military. Flex, you know. Forget it. I'm working with you guys. That's all you had to do. Just have a vinyl with the word flex in it. That's it. I'm working with you guys. Econo Reflect. We have a lot of Econo in here. I'm loving that. So this is the Econo. These are their product. These are what they do. You know, these are theirs. These are not like they get it from another company and they're selling it. These all are theirs. So we're gonna test. So this is the Flex Military. Of course your boy gonna definitely, I'm loving that one. You know, Econo, that's it, man. I'm working with you guys. Whether you like it or not, I'm working with you. You done sealed the deal with that. That's it. And we're gonna put them to a test. So don't worry, I'm gonna list all the names up right here now, and we're gonna test these bad boy in another video. This is their black, white, oh, I'm sorry, this is their puff, and this is the regular white. Oh man, beautiful. Oh my, all mine. And I'm gonna test them for you guys. Ooh, hoo-hoo. I'm loving the way some of those vinyls look, and your boy can't wait to test them. In my hand, I got the Flex Military, and this is the Flex Flowers. Look at this one. Can you guys see it? Oh, two Flex. That's right. I'm loving these two. But like I said, your boy's gonna test these out first. And then if your boy like it, he's gonna have a link for you to purchase from EconoTransfer. EconoTransfer, thank you very much for sending me all these vinyl. So now your boy gonna have to put it to the test to make sure it live up to the name Econo. Econo sound really nice. I give you guys credit for that name. I really like that name. EconoTransfer. I like that. So that's all I got for you guys today. Just stay tuned for the next video where I do the wash test and the press and see how long it takes and see if I like it. If I like it, like I said, the link will be downstairs. Speaking of downstairs, don't forget, go hit up my Amazon link and the vinyl stands to get your B-FLEX 285 4 seconds. Can't beat that. Save some money on your electricity. Anyway, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. No, you know what? Don't hit it. I want you to smash that like button. And I want you to hit the notification button. Share this video. Drop your boy a comment. Until next time, this is your boy Flex, and I'm out.